Maybe it's a big, big Lego set.
I don't know what it might be.
I'm gonna hide it from you.
Why are you going to hide it from me?
Because it's a big, big thing.
It is a big, big thing.
Are you trying to see it?
Yeah, I'm trying to see it.
No, you can't because it's a... Oh.
Oh, what is it?
It's a big... Oh, wow. Look at this.
Is it your own home?
What?
Is it your own home?
Look it.
It looks like a tent or something.
It is. I want my brother to go with it. With
Okay. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy for you.
I know that. What was that?
Somebody else making as much noise as we are. Whoa, that thing's huge. It's pretty cool. It's a tent. Do you need help?